Let us now consider one more interesting example. This was also a question in one of the exams for medical entrance, all India. Rate of the reaction, this reaction, Z is general representation, and this is a general representation for a nucleophile, and this nucleophile attacks this, and Z goes out in the form of Z minus, means this is a nucleophilic substitution reaction. That way, this is SN reaction. One nucleophile attacks, and this group, it can be any one out of these four, goes out in the form of nucleophile. So, this is nucleophilic substitution reaction overall. There can be steps in mechanism. Out of these four options, for which one will be the reaction, this reaction will be faster? What do you think? The reaction is faster for this. Here I will directly answer first and then explain. The reaction is faster for this when it is chlorine. The reason is very simple. The simplest explanation, because among these four, here they have shown in the form of the atom or group, because it is part of this covalently bonded. When they go out in the form of nucleophile, they will be in the form of their ions, Cl minus ion, NH2 minus ion, this carboxylate ion, propionate, this ethoxide ion. When they go out in the form of nucleophile, they will be ions. Now, at present they are part of the carbonyl group, therefore, they are shown in the form of their group or atom. As compared to, if we compare this chlorine with NH2 and propionate, carboxylate, alkoxy group, chlorine is what it said, what we say normally is better living group. Better living group means stronger nucleophile attacks and weaker and substitutes weaker nucleophile. So, among the four, this one is weaker nucleophile. Now, why chlorine is better living group as compared to the other three options can be studied or considered in various ways. We will consider if these were negatively charged ions, because they will go out in the form of, if it were chlorine, it will go out in the form of Cl minus ions. If it were NH2, it will go out in the form of NH2 minus ion. Same is true for this carboxylate ion, same is true for this ethoxide ion, it will go out in the form of C2H5O minus ion, ethoxide ion. So, this is a better living group, can be considered in many ways. I will use a bit different method. The outgoing nucleophile and proton, if we collectively consider, if we consider all part of Z separately, then this with proton will form HCl, this one will with proton will form ammonia, this one will with proton will form ethyl alcohol, right. Let me write in this fashion, C2H5OH, and this one will form COO, means this is a carbonyl group, it goes out in the form of carboxylate ion, with proton it forms a bond. Now, in aqueous solution, this is a strong acid, so tendency of this to get converted into H plus and Cl minus ions is more than any of these one. This comes under what we call as weak acid. whatever is soluble in water, out of that very less get ionized H plus and negative ion. This is soluble in water, OH bond, polar C2H5 OH, covalent bond, hydrogen bonding, OH bond is polar, soluble in water, but it is not that polar, so that it will get, the OH bond will get dissociated, heterolytic dissociation. And even this is soluble in water, but NH bond in ammonia does not undergo heterolysis. With sodium or reactive agents, they may get converted into, they do get converted into NH2 minus ion with sodium alkoxide ion. Means this has good tendency to get converted into Cl minus ions when dissolved in water. The opposite meaning of that is that in aqueous solution, Cl minus ions have very less tendency to pull back proton as compared to other. And so, if we again think in a reverse manner, Cl minus ion, NH2 minus ion, leaving group, when they will leave this, they will leave in this fashion, or alkoxide ion, ethoxide ion, specific case, and this propionate written in the short form there. This has less affinity for proton. That is why when dissolved in water, HCl immediately undergoes heterolysis, strong acid H plus Cl minus ions, least affinity. Then will be this very high affinity for proton, alkoxide ion, and the number second affinity. If you consider the affinity trend, highest affinity will be this, highest number 1 will be this. Among the highest, the decreasing trend, the 2 will be this, 3 will be this, and 4th will be this, if we consider the affinity. So, if we consider that way, Cl to go out in the form of Cl minus ions as compared to remaining groups, because all they, when they go out in the form of ions, they go out in the form of Cl minus ions, NH2 minus ions, ethoxide ion, propoxide ion, carboxylate. This will be a better leaving group, and therefore, the reaction will be faster when Z initial in the reactant Z is chlorine, because it is a better leaving group as compared to other groups.